This is my daughter, Lillian. I hope you like and subscribe to her channel. Hi, Lillian. Lillian. Wow. You're doing some makeup on your face. Why you want to improve your looks? Well, look like you know what you're doing. Look like you're painting to me, but you're doing a good job. Wow. You look beautiful. You look beautiful anyway. With your afro. Well, it looks like you are. I'm trying to see what color you putting on your eyelid or eyelashes. Wow, that is nice. Oh, what is that you just showed me? Something like some kind of liquid. Look like a wax. Wow. I know you're very good at what you do anyway. I'm very, very proud of you. Oh, you're trying to show me which color you're going to use now. Look like you're going to put in a purple. Oh, wow. Your looks is just changing. Now you put in a red. Wow, I'm truly, really enjoying what I'm seeing, what you're doing. Look like you came to be a professional. Or rather, you might be a professional already. Which is good. This is awesome. This is excellent. Very, very excellent. Well, if you want to change your color, wow, all your eyelid is all red now. What are you trying to do? To change it to something else? Wow, actually, you know what? I like how you did your eyebrow. But I can't see what color you put in there. Is it black or brown? Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, now you want to change another color to put in there. Wow, how many colors are you going to put in your face? Well, at the end, I think it's going to be very, very, very beautiful. My beautiful daughter, Lillian. Makeup artist. I love this painting. I hope the way you're painting your face that you're going to, maybe you help me paint my house. You know, all this color coordination, it is excellent. Ah, Ugo. Thank God, oh, I'm a man. I don't have to put on this makeup on my face. This is great. And do you notice the way you just put all this color on your face? It's actually changing your face. I want to see how the outlook is going to be at the end of this makeup you're doing to your face. Wow. I never knew your eyes are that big. Or you want to change and put another color there? Or black? Yes, I'm right. You put a black on your eyelid. This is marvelous. So I think I'm very curious to know how many colors you're going to use at the end of. Oh, what is this you put right now? Another color? Or what is this called, Lillian? Oh, it looks like a finishing touches of a white paint you put in over your side of your eyes. It might make you look like a tiger. Well, so far what I'm seeing that you're doing, Lillian, I'm very, very proud of you. Oh, wow. I'm enjoying what I'm seeing. I'm looking at you like you're professional. Oh, you want to change to, oh, that's a white one. You just showed me a white paint. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at a lot of design. Oh, look at how you look now. Meow. Ah, we'll go. You have a lot of patience. How can I sit down and be painting my face like this? Thank God I'm a man, M-A-N. What is this that you're putting down on your face, oh? With the brush. Is it called eye brush? I don't know the name. I guess you know the name. And the way you're changing all these colors here is looking very good and very much good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Oh, spray? Wow. Why are you using it? Oh, okay, I see what you're doing. Look at this, a foundation. At least I know that. That's going to cover any other kind of wrinkle you have on your face and make it smooth like a silk. This is a very good job you are doing, oh. My daughter Lillian. Look at, you know what you're doing. Well, I don't know who's watching you. As you guys, everybody could see, look at you getting up there. Professional. You know what you're doing. Oh, what's this you changing to? Wow, I'm looking at you and at the same time I'm learning, but I might not know what I'm saying. I'm saying it the way I look at it, right? Oh wow, what you try to do? You try to make your face look like you're actually African roots. Oh, it's a design. It's a design. Wow. This is good. I could watch you all day doing this. You just keep on changing different kind of color, different kind of colors. I mean, what's good with the end results? Beauty, huh? This is nice. Well, anyway, this is Lillian. She's doing her makeup to her face. And you can see from before and after, at the end of this video, you guys could judge how she looks. Oh, wow, you changed it. What's this you put on your face now? You just have to have too many different kind of colors. But at the end of the video, they're all going to mean something. And one thing I know is going to bring out beauty. 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 Wow. This is beautiful, Lillian. I'm very proud of you. Maybe I'm going to try one day go open a beauty store in Africa, in Nigeria. I can't actually catch up with all this color changing that you put on your face, you know. But to you, it means a lot still. You know, actually, you know what you're doing. It's actually beautifying your face more and more. Oh, lipstick. This is purple. At least I know that. I could see that. A purple lipstick. And that purple is nice. It's matching your eyelid. You know. That purple is my color. Your eyelid, the color here, I think I could see a little trace of purple in there. Wow, I see your lips are nice. I know, actually, I'm your father. You got that from me anyway. Oh, you finished? Oh, wow. Jesus. This is beautiful. Oh.